A very good afternoon to all our viewers. You're watching the breaking news show on CNN News 18. I am Anjali Pandey here to take you through all the latest news and updates from across the nation and around the world. And we're starting off this bulletin with some breaking news that's coming in. And now TMC's Arambagh candidate Mithali Bagh's car has been thrashed. TMC is alleging that BJP orchestrated the attack in Arambagh's Khanakul area. In fact, the TMC says that from attacking women candidates to exploiting their dignity through manufactured conspiracies, BJP's anti-Bengal and anti-women mindset knows no bounds. The TMC has also sought action from the Election Commission against the culprits in this case. So TMC is alleging that the BJP workers have attacked its Arambagh candidate Mithali Bagh. The visuals are on your screens right now. This is Mithali Bagh's car, which has been attacked. TMC is claiming that the BJP has attacked her car. CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta is now joining us on this story. Kamalika, could you give us more details about this attack on Mithali Bagh's car?
See, this is a video which has been given by Trinamool Congress, and according to Trinamool Congress, they are stating that while she was campaigning, there was a sudden attack in her car, and this is the situation where in Arambagh is a very sensitive area, and Arambagh in Hooghly is a constituency which was very closely won by Trinamool Congress last time. So this is Mithali is a new candidate there. So the Trinamool Congress is saying that there has been attack on her. Though the BJP has denied this allegation, the police is looking into the matter. The Trinamool Congress will also reach the commission, election commission on this. And right now the situation out there is tense.
All right, Kamalika, please stay with us. We are now being joined by TMC's Riju Datta on this story. We are getting to learn that Mithali Bagh's car has been attacked, and now the TMC is alleging that BJP's hand is there in this attack. What would you like to say on this?
First of all, as you all know, with our presser today morning, even in Delhi, that after the Sandesh Khali sting video, which has come out in public, which has proved that the entire Sandesh Khali was a concocted conspiracy peddled by none other than the Prime Minister to create a fake narrative to defend Trinamool Congress and Bengal. BJP has lost the plot. They are running around like headless chicken, and they have resorted to what they know best, that is violence against women, violence against our candidates. Mithali Bagh from Arambagh is a seat that is won by Trinamool Congress in 2019. She is campaigning, and BJP goons are throwing stones at them. These BJP that call other people, other people belonging to other caste, creed and religion stone pelters, what are you doing? You are throwing stones on a candidate who's a woman candidate.
But Mr. Datta, how can you be so sure that those were BJP goons that attacked?
So who will attack in Arambagh? There is no relevance of Congress or CPM. Do you think Trinamool will attack Trinamool?
No, but they can.
If tomorrow Amit Shah is coming to campaign, if his car gets stone pelted, will you ask me the same question? How are you so sure that TMC has attacked? I will turn around and say that BJP is throwing stones at Amit Shah. What kind of a question is this?
No, but that can be a normal public in that particular area. How can
no public. See, in Bengal, no public, and I'm saying this irrespective of any political party, no public will come on the road and pelt stones at candidates contesting Lok Sabha elections.
All right, Mr. Datta, please stay with us. We're now being joined by BJP's Rahul Sinha on this story. Mr. Sinha, so TMC candidate from Arambagh, Mithali Bagh's car has been attacked, and the TMC claims that it is the BJP goons are behind this attack. Your reaction?
देखिए, बात है जब चुनाव नजदीक आ रहा है इधर, और जो तृतीय चरण का चुनाव में वो लोग देख रहा है, अब पहला और सेकेंड चरण में तो लोग बुरी तरह से हार चुके, अभी बाकी चरण में भी उनका आशा कम है, तो इसीलिए तृणमूल कांग्रेस अभी अफवाह फैलाने का और वीडियो स्ट्रिंग ये सब करके वो चाहते हैं जो बीजेपी का खिलाफ कुछ ऐसा माहौल खड़ा करे जिसमें थोड़ा सिंपैथी उनका और आ जाए। ऐसा ही घटना आरामबाग का तृणमूल प्रत्याशी का बारे में हुआ। वो लोग तृणमूल कांग्रेस का दोनों गुट है और आरामबाग में दोनों गुट का लड़ाई तो सब लोग जानते हैं और वो दोनों गुट का लड़ाई है और उसमें वो लोगों का जो लड़ाई उसमें हम लोग भागीदारी करने का कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन ये सारे तृणमूल का घर का मानना है, उसमें हम लोग इसमें पड़ेंगे नहीं।
जी राहुल सिन्हा जी, एक और अटैक जो सामने आ रहा है इस पूरी चीज़ में, टीएमसी ने कहा है कि बीजेपी एंटी वेस्ट बंगाल है और एंटी विमेन है और इसमें उन्होंने संदेश खली वाला जो पूरा मैटर है। All right, we'll try to re-establish that connection. We're now being joined by CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sengupta. Kamalika, so a war of words has now erupted between the BJP and the TMC, wherein the BJP is claiming that there are two factions in Arambagh of the TMC itself, and that is the reason behind this whole incident.
See, there's allegation and counter allegations are going on. It's a very high pitched election battle in Bengal. Always, it's whenever there is an election, the battle is like Kurukshetra, and here it is no less. So till 1 month still is there, like a lot of faces yet to go. And Arambagh is going to go for poll on the 20th, and it's a very, very sensitive constituency where TMC just won by a very narrow margin. So definitely this is going to be one place where both the parties will give their full strength. And that's why this type of, this type of incidents are happening. And definitely the Trinamool Congress is going to go high with this. They are going to complain to EC. On the other hand, the BJP clearly will be standing on their point, stating that it's a faction fight.
All right, Kamalika, thank you so much for getting us all those details. With that, we're now shifting focus